This is so cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me Rada, and today's video we are coming back with another COS bag unboxings and a little bit of review. I am so excited because this is actually my second time purchasing from COS, and I honestly really enjoy their quilted mini bag, and I am so excited for this new in collections. It's fall season, so I am so excited to use this for this transitional seasons. And you all know that collection rooted in minimalist, timeless design, which I am really obsessed with. And yeah, let's just open this up and see what fit inside, you know, everything. Maybe at the end of the video I will show you how I styled this bag. I ordered this bag a couple weeks ago and I haven't had a chance to open this up, so we are going to open this COS bags together, and this is going to be double bags unboxing, so get excited. I'm gonna use my cutter to cut it, just didn't want to ruin the bag. Something false. Ta-da! So here is the swing crossbody, and I got this in dark browns, but to be honest it looks almost like black to me in person. So yeah, here we go. And this one is the micro quilted bag. You all know I'm obsessed with their mini quilted bag, and so I decided to get another one to see how I feel about the micro one. Just want to see if I can use this for my everyday bag. I am obsessed with their quilted bag. If you haven't watched my video, you can definitely go back on my quilted bag unboxings and you will know why I love it so much. I use that bag almost every single time I go out, and yeah, I find that very convenient and very comfortable to use. I think it's made with the great materials. The thickness I love. I mean, like for my mini quilted bag, it's just really comfortable. Like you don't feel hurt or anything when you use it. It's just really good for your shoulder. And even though I have like a tons of stuff in my quilted bag, but it's still like the best, like super comfy one. This one though is not like shoulder bag or anything. You just gotta hold it like this, but actually it's kind of cute. You can throw this over your casual outfit and it's gonna pop some fun on your feet and everything. So I think that is super nice. They are really affordable. This one I got it for $45, and I believe you can carry a lot of stuff even though it's a micro. But yeah, I will show you guys in a bit like what fit inside and everything. But I think it's really good price. I use this like almost every single day, I'm not gonna lie, and I still have like my stuff right here. It carries all my essentials, everything. It's just my perfect everyday bag, and I feel like the more you use this, the more it gets softer, and I really like that feeling. Like you want to bring this bag with you every day, and as I said, it's really comfy, so this is always my favorite to go bag. So yeah, the material is really good, very lightweight, and you basically can fold it like in any way. So I think this is really good for daily bag. And also COS just loud leather quilted bag. If you're interested in leather instead of the fabric, I think that is a great option as well. But yeah, I got these both in black and I love it. Black is actually very easy to match with any outfit, so it is my safe zone. I'm gonna show you what fit inside this bag in a little bit, but now let's talk about this swing crossbody. This is the swing crossbody in dark browns. I don't even know if you can tell this is a dark brown, but in person it's more like a black color. But yeah, if you're interested in darker color, feel free to check them out. There are also many more color available, so just in case you are interested. It has a unique half moon style with the thick strap, which I think that is pretty cool. It also have the adjustable holes that you can adjust for your height and your length and everything. That is great. This bag seemed to me a smooth leather, and here there is a little scratch when it comes. I don't know if it's because I have another bag and it probably gets scratched by that, or it just came like that. The interior has one big compartment with a little pocket up here. These pockets seem to be for cards, for small receipts, coins, or little cosmetic. And the interior made with the cotton linings. Very spacious inside, has a lot of rooms to put the stuff in, your essentials. I think that is great. That is a quick review about this bag. Now let's see what fit inside this bag. Okay guys, I am back with my essentials, and here I'm gonna show you what fits in this swing crossbody bag. First, I'm gonna start off with my YSL envelope wallet. This is my everyday wallet, and this is a must. I have to have this bag. So here, my hand sanitizer, my inhaler, then my sunglasses, and then my lipsticks, my powder, and of course my phone, and then my camera, my pens and highlighter. Alright, it's getting there guys. And lastly, my car key. Now I'm trying to zip this bag. Here we go. Ooh. It's actually the perfect bag for travel. Like if you want to use this for traveling, I think this bag should be perfect. I feel like you can use this bag either way. You can use this as a crossbody bag or the shoulder bag. I think either way is cute. Hopefully this strap helps supporting shoulder, and I feel like it's very comfy, like comfy enough to use this bag. However, I'm not sure yet about how it's gonna be in long term, but for me as right now, I think it's pretty good. This is why the strap is a little bit thicker, and that helps a lot to supporting your shoulder, and it doesn't get hurt easily. So that is a thumbs up. And I really like the length of this bag, like where it hangs on my body, and seems like very easy to grab my stuff. Pretty cool, pretty fun style to have it added in your wardrobe. Now I'm gonna show you what fit inside this micro quilted bag. Let's start off with my phone. I'm not sure, I don't think it will fit, but what? My 14 Pro Max is actually fitted inside this bag. Wow, I can't believe it's really fitted inside, guys. Wow, that is surprising me. That is so cool. So iPhone 14 Pro Max is actually fitted inside this bag. That's crazy. I won't put my phone in there though, otherwise I can't put any other stuff inside. So I'm gonna try with my, let's see, my lipstick here, my hand sanitizer. Let's see if my YSL envelope wallet will fit inside this bag. If it does, It is amazing. It is actually fit, guys. This is so cool. I love that. As you can see, it's getting puffier and that is the cutest. I got my car key. Let's see where. Right here. Gonna put them there. My lipstick and powder. Let's see. That should be good enough for my everyday essentials, and they are all fitted inside this little bag. This bag is amazing. It reminds me of Longchamp mini pouch. It carries a tons and I didn't expect that, but yeah, overall guys, I think it's really cute, durable piece to add in your wardrobe. If you are considering getting a new daily bag, I highly recommend the Quilted bag. It's really amazing. They both are pretty accessible, which I think that is a good deal. But if you're looking for a casual / formal bag, I think this swing crossbody bag is a really very nice one as well. It just really depends on what you're looking for. This is more like casual style, but this can be like both casual and formal. In my opinion, I think this will fit better. But yeah, I think they both are great, and I hope you guys enjoy my little unboxing and review, and I hope you guys enjoy my video. Find this video helpful, and I guess I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!